Hi, my name is Teshia Bustos, and I'm a research coordinator for the MAST Program. I'm here to present you my poster titled Rheumatoid Arthritis is Associated with the Small Intestinal Bacterial Overgrowth and Distinct Small Bowel Microbiome Changes. This is an integration of Aspirate culture and large-scale database analysis. Rheumatoid arthritis, or RA, is an autoimmune disease present in approximately 1.3 million people in the U.S. While its causes still remain unclear, growing evidence is suggesting its relationship with the gut microbiome, and also with SIBO, or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. In this study, we aim to clarify these relationships while we use two different cohorts, TriNetX and the Reimagen study. First, we analyzed information from the TriNetX database with over 90,000 patients with RA who were matched to controls. This allowed us to assess long-term risk of developing SIBO. Secondly, we used a clinical cohort, the Reimagen study, where SIBO was determined using duodenal aspirate cultures and microbial sequencing was performed in the duodenal samples. So, what did we find? From the TriNetX analysis, we learned that patients with RA had higher risk of developing SIBO, almost 5 times compared with patients with no RA. Clinically, we confirmed this information with the Reimagen study, where patients were twice as likely to develop SIBO compared to those with no RA. Before correcting for SIBO, patients showed lower microbial alpha diversity and higher absolute abundances of gram-negative organisms such as Serratia and Enterobacter. Very importantly, after correcting for SIBO, some of these differences persisted, which tells us that RA is associated with a distinct small microbiome change. In conclusion, based on the TriNetX study results, individuals with RA have significantly higher risk of developing SIBO. Duodenal aspirate culture analysis in the Reimagen study also showed that there's a higher prevalence of SIBO in patients with RA. Overall, our results show a strong association between RA and SIBO and indicate that the small bowel microbiome is an important yet underexplored site for autoimmune disease. Well, thank you very much for being here for the poster presentation. Don't forget to check out the other posters at DDW 2026 with the MAST team. Thank you.